Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Ford's 2009 to 2014 F-150. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift or remove the cab from your frame. Cut out the perforated plate on your overaxle frame section. This will allow your part to slide over your existing rear fuel tank crossmember. Step 3. Slide your overaxle frame section onto the innermost side of your frame rail using the frame holes to help with the alignment. C-clamp your part into place to ensure a tight fit. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld your overaxle frame section onto the frame before welding it on fully. Finally, paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Then you're done!